Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Megapixel Beast. As you all know that I was selected in MediaTek squad, so I got chance to experience this powerful device Realme X7 Max 5G. On backside you can see key features of Realme X7 Max 5G. Dimensity 1200 5G processor, 120Hz Super AMOLED display, 50W Super Dart charge and Sony 64MP triple camera. Here we go. Just look at this box. It's typical Realme X7 series silver colored box. So on front you can see Realme branding and device name. The device comes with 5G band support. On opening the box you can see this welcome note. Uncover the extraordinary speed. After opening the box, you will see the brand new Realme X7 Max 5G. We will see detailed overview later. You also get white C-type cable for charging. Along with this, you also get Super Dart charger for super fast charging. The build quality of this charger is good. The best thing is you are getting the Super Dart charger in the box. The box contains SIM ejector tool, user manual and protective case. The quality of protective case is good because the same case is provided to recent phones. So my personal experience is Realme giving a good quality protective case. So there is no need to purchase a new case for your phone. Let's talk about design. The important factor in every phone is a design. Realme always comes with a new design. This time Realme X7 Max is having mirror finish strip with matte finish. It gives comfort while handling. Here I found two things. That the device is lighter and thinner. The thickness of this phone is 8.4 mm and weight is 179 grams. On bottom side there is a earphone jack, charging point and speakers. There is also noise cancellation mic. The front design is super cool. The punch hole gives the full screen display experience. Let's move forward. The Realme X7 Max 5G comes with a Realme UI 2.2 based on Android 11. It is much faster, smoother and safer. Here you can see user interface. The new Realme X7 Max 5G camera setup includes 64MP triple camera. The primary camera is 64MP with f1.73, ultra wide with 8 megapixel and 119 field of view. We will see depth in a camera test. The sides of Realme X7 Max are very curvy. I think this is the main reason for comfort while handling. Side there is a lock button and side there is a volume key. Next one is processor. Realme X7 Max 5G comes with Dimensity 1200 5G processor. It is leading CPU design. The best way to check the processor is gaming. Here I am playing Asphalt 9 for checking performance of a Realme X7 Max 5G. The experience of playing game is quite excellent. There is no kind of any lag while playing the game. I think this is the best CPU in the market. Realme X7 Max comes with 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Touch sampling rate is 360 Hz. For accurate light tuning, dual light sensor is used. Here You can see the display quality in gaming video. Realme has always provided a bigger battery and fast charging technology. The Realme X7 Max 5G is having 50W supercharge. The box contains 65W super dart charger. It takes 0 to 50% in 60 minutes. This is overview and detailed specification of Realme X7 Max 5G. The price of 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM variant is 27K, and the price of 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM is 30K. If you are looking for camera and gaming phone, then this is the best in this section. Stay tuned for next video because I am going to upload the video on camera and gaming reviews. If you feel this video is helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.